Y'all want to see what it's doing outside? I'll show you. It's a windstorm. Look at the clam. Yes, we got the generator going. Oh, look, the wind has flipped the lights on upside down too. We got the generator going, filtering the air for the doggies. And Becky, all the dust was blowing up in there. I forgot to close this before the wind catches the awning. Middle of a dust storm. Look at that. Sunset over there, Scott's camp. We reinforced the clam with ratchet straps, and I will show you why. Look over here at this one. Outside of that string started to give away. So we put ratchet straps on, and I think we're going to do this from now on, just use ratchet straps. This thing is holding up very well, very well. Big wind gust right there. But it is a mess in there. We took the panels off, let the wind blow through it. And here, that's what you're supposed to do with these, I guess. But it's holding up really well. I do run a bungee cord, this bungee cord, with a red bungee cord that's hanging right there. We connect them. I'm dirty, dusty, so, but we connect them right there to hold the doors, give the doors a little more support, because once the wind gets going, that zipper comes open. But this thing's holding up really nice. Got a dude way up there doing something with a clipboard. Way up there, almost to the top. But it is windy, very windy. We think the worst might have passed. But look at the dust. Look at it everywhere. But everywhere. Bug salt's all dusty. Look at this. Everything's got dirt or dust on it. Everything. So that's why we closed the rig up. Becky went to cleaning all the dirt and dust up in there. And tomorrow's not supposed to be as windy. And we can sit out and enjoy it. But let's go inside the clam. I'm going to put this down so I can zip it up. Alright, here we are inside the clam. Very important. Have an air compressor with you. You're going to need it. Look at all the dirt in there. Because I'm fixing to use that to blow all that dust off the tables, the computer speakers. Look right here. Look at all the dirt and dust and everywhere. This is the other seat to Bobby, where the water tank's at, the bottom of it. But look at all the dirt in there. Look, these are the panels for the clam. That dirt. But look at that. And that no-see-um screen on these clam things, well, this one's a master canopy. Seems to cut down on the wind too. Look at the stove. Look at that. That's just, I'm getting smacked by the door. Just dust everywhere. Everywhere. It's even starting to cover the mat up right there. But first things first, we gotta clean the air compressor off so we can use it. Oh, it's even better. Oh, look at that clam. Oh, look at this. Oh, I don't even know where it's at. Wow.
Stays to the right, to the right. Keep going.